One of the things I'm often asked in comment threads on my YouTube videos is how can I get started with a project? I really encourage people when they're learning languages or learning the art of programming to work on fully formed projects. Well, I've got good news for you. You've got loads of advice on my channel to help you get started with all kinds of different projects. So once you've watched this video, just click the Code with Hugh link down here, ignore that bit, go straight to the playlists, and here you'll find these playlists are effectively courses, linked courses of lessons. Now some of them are generic subjects about retro computing or sort of various other different technical topics, but there are whole projects too. For example, let's look at a few of them. Cross-platform programming with Pascal, I'll have a look at that in a minute. C# programming projects. I mean, if you're doing C#, there's a load of projects there. And adventure game, if you want to program an adventure game, that's a very long project. And let's pick one other. Okay, Delphi collapsible outliner. So I've just clicked these to open these links in separate tabs. Now Delphi, let's shut this down a minute. Delphi is a Pascal, Object Pascal environment. You can get a free copy, and if you want to do a collapsible outliner, this is really quite complicated. This is more for an intermediate or more advanced programmer. With a drag and drop outline tool so that you can have nodes on a tree and you can write formatted text with colors and different fonts, drag them around. You can see the lessons are all down the right hand side here, and you would just start with lesson 1 and work your way on. Now similarly, I'll stick with Pascal just for the time being. There's another series here. This is for cross-platform programming, and if you want to use a different environment, this is with Lazarus. Again, it's free like you get Delphi. This is open source, so there are no real restrictions here. And I show how to do a cross-platform various applications on Windows and other platforms, Linux or Raspberry Pi running Linux. Right, for adventure game enthusiasts, I've got this huge course here. So you can see all these lessons down here will explain to you how to move around a map, create a map of rooms with exits, move around it, taking treasures, dropping treasures, and doing all the things you do in a traditional adventure game. I'm mainly concerned here with C# or Java, but the principles can be applied to other languages. On the subject of C#, this is a whole series of projects in this playlist, C# programming projects playlist. I start off with how to program a disk browser, that's like a file manager, and then how to drag and drop files to launch them. So you create a launch pad, you drag files from the file manager onto the launch pad, it creates a button and you can launch them, and later on how to do the same thing with web pages. So you can go to the Explorer and drop web URLs and launch them direct from your own C# application, creating buttons as you go. A whole load of projects here. What else have we got? A zip file utility, so you can archive files, write your own program to do that. How to run DOS commands, how to do window management tools, program a digital clock, how to program a screen grab utility. So a lot of ideas here. If you're stuck for ideas, go to my playlist section, pick a playlist, and all of those and many, many more projects are there. Start with lesson 1. So, literally go up to the lesson. They're all listed down the right-hand side once you select a playlist, and work your way through it. And I'll show you all the code to get you started on your project. And I think that's really the best way to learn. So good luck.